So Callie, one of the things I want to do is change gears with you a little bit, make sure we understand the value proposition and what you're doing to position yourself in the marketplace. And proof of care is such an important thing to your clients, just getting that constant communication about the work that we're going through to take care of the loved ones that are, even in quality of life issue. Talk to me about your target market, where you're trying to go, and what you see the future for your product.
Yeah, so we are in the senior living community space or the long-term care space,
right.
And although our focus right now is independent living and assisted living, where we do have healthier older adults,
okay.
Right, rather than folks who need 24/7 medical care, like in skilled nursing facilities, right? Mm-hmm. So our focus right now is the IL, independent living and assisted living facilities, where there is a lot of focus on the activities that the seniors are doing. Right, and although they are healthier, there is significant proof that a lot of them have dementia problems,
mm-hmm.
and about 40% of them are diagnosed with dementia.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so many times, and the average age is 85.
Right.
In assisted living facilities.
Wow.
So when we talk about that age group, it is difficult for them to use technology like ours, mm-hmm. and that's why we have made the caregivers the driver of the platform. Mm-hmm. Right? Yes.
It also, your platform also allows some significant advantage in dementia care. By driving and tracking activity, you were telling me we can actually improve or at least slow down the degradation through dementia, right?
Yes. And that is what we call the STAR framework, which
mm-hmm.
our company developed.
Okay.
STAR is completely focused on memory care units, and as you are aware, the trend is, we even in South Bend we have like 3 or 4 memory care units cropping up, just focused on memory care. Mm-hmm. Like 60 beds, 50 beds, right? Mm-hmm. So as as the focus changes into that, we have what we call STAR framework built into our product, Smile. So STAR stands for S is for social contact, which is so important for seniors. Mm-hmm. So where we have a space where families can post pictures, send messages, and here's your great grandson having his first birthday, right? So that helps the seniors have a view into the lives of their loved ones.
Right, and that's a trigger, right?
That's the social contact.
Right.
Yes, doctor. Yeah, so that's the S. And then we have T, which we call trigger events. Mm-hmm. Right? So Smile allows family members and caregivers, with the help of residents, capture those trigger events. So it could be, the day that they met their sweetheart, mm-hmm. the day they got married, mm-hmm. right? The day they graduated. Some, those special moments in the seniors' lives. So those are called trigger events, and that helps when they're having kind of an episode where they're agitated, and the caregivers have a view into these trigger events, mm-hmm. and they can calm them down, mm-hmm. talk to them about these trigger events. So we capture that within Smile. And going on to A, which is the activity balance. Mm-hmm. So Smile ensures that the seniors have a balance in their activities. They're not playing bingo every day, mm-hmm. right? So, when we talk about activity balance, are the seniors involved in social activities? Are they involved in spiritual activities, mm-hmm. cognitive, physical? So to achieve that balance in activity is so critical when we talk about quality of life.
Right.
And research has proven that, this helps slow down dementia. Wow. Slow down the progress of dementia.
Wow.
And finally, we have the R in STAR, which is for reminiscing. So, remembering things and remembering, the important events in life, not necessarily trigger events, but, songs, music, what are the special things that they remember about? Mm-hmm. So, and Smile gives a view into their lives through Smile gives a view to the caregivers into the lives of the residents. Yep. Right? So the STAR framework helps, research has shown that any one of these helps in the slowing down the process of dementia. And we have captured all of those into Smile.
It's so important. I just want to throw a quick story on that, just to let people know how important that STAR model is for you guys to be a solution in memory care. Because I remember, like when my grandma was going through some of that, like when she woke up, we wouldn't, she wouldn't even recognize a lot of the people that were around her. But one of the things she did was, we got her to do is to go to the piano and start playing the piano. And after, her fingers would be literally locked up so tight that she couldn't even, move them. And that would release, the activity would literally drive a physiological response that would allow her to play the piano, remember who we were, and go on to cook dinner. And a lot of people, so that STAR methodology for memory care can be a lot of times the difference between, a 6 on a 1 to 10 quality of life scale to an 8 or a 9 for years in the life of a senior. And that's a special thing that technology's doing to make lives better. Is that fair?
Absolutely, yes. You captured it. That's right.
So you guys are based in South Bend, Indiana. You got funded by the city, and you're helping improve the lives of seniors. Let's face it, we got the largest generation ever in the United States now retiring, getting to that age. This is so how's it been going with your launch?
It's been going great. Actually, we just got back from a conference in Phoenix. It's called ALPHA, Assisted Living Federation of America. Okay. So, there was significant interest. A lot of people came by and talked to us. And, so that's basically our national launch. So now it's up to us to follow through and, start. We have about 22 facilities in different forms of onboarding at this point.
Awesome.
But looking ahead, we're very excited with where this will go.
Cool. Right here in Indiana, another technology company doing some amazing things to make our lives better. Callie, you've been zipped. I appreciate you being on the show.
Thank you, Tony.